Morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning. We have a few clouds around this morning. There are actually some showers right in here from around this area right here all the way to Chadron. Like 3 areas of showers we're kind of watching this morning. It's going to be pushing east and southeast, so this could start to make their way into the central part of the state and into the local 4 viewing already by 8 or 9 o'clock this morning. So I think we could see a little bit of rain in here today, especially this afternoon. A few spotty showers, probably not a lot of super heavy rainfall, but can't rule out a little bit of light rain and maybe a flash of lightning, a crack of thunder here and there. The focus for better chances of rain and thunderstorms, including severe weather, is going to be here in southwest Nebraska towards the end of the afternoon and into the evening hours. We will have to watch that severe weather threat. In my opinion, Futurecast is a little quick with this. Really, I could almost go, this should be what 10 o'clock looks like right about here. I think the Tri-Cities will be on the edge of it, but better chances to the southwest of the Tri-Cities. And still some lingering showers and isolated thunderstorms around through the late night hours. Even into tomorrow morning, I still think we could see a little activity out there as we start off your Tuesday. And even tomorrow, there is a chance during the daytime hours of a few showers and storms, but a better chance is going to come tomorrow night. Now, tomorrow night, the biggest focus is going to be here to the west. This is where most of our storms are going to come from. Now, we might get something a little more isolated out ahead of this, and yeah, we could see some severe weather if this were to happen. I'm not banking on it, though, so kind of take this with a grain of salt. But this is a little more likely. Showers and thunderstorms moving in from the west, rolling across the area late night. We could see some overnight severe weather once again, and it becomes a bigger wind threat as these push east and merge into a line later in the night. And I think even a few may linger into Wednesday morning, especially over eastern areas. Like I said, I think this model is going a little too fast in my opinion, and I do expect at least some lingering showers and storms early Wednesday. So for tonight, and even late this afternoon, but especially into tonight, some severe weather is going to be possible over southwestern areas. Large hail initially, maybe a bit of a tornado threat, a little bit isolated, and then also a damaging wind gust threat as these push southeastward. Tomorrow night, a more widespread threat of severe weather. Maybe again, initially large hail, maybe an isolated tornado, but becomes more of a damaging wind gust threat as they push eastward later in the night. Highs for today, 70s and low 80s, your warmest temperatures in the southeast. Cooler to the northwest, could be really cool up around the Gordon area there. Tonight into tomorrow morning, we'll dip back into the mid to upper 50s and low to mid 60s. Tomorrow's highs looking a little bit warmer, upper 70s and low to mid 80s. Back into the upper 50s and low to mid 60s for tomorrow night into early on Wednesday morning. Then Wednesday looks like a little bit of a cool down. We'll pick up on a little bit of a light northwesterly wind. Highs upper 70s, lower 80s for most of us. Maybe a few mid 80s out west here. But these are all below average for this time of the year for early August. As you look at the long range part of the forecast here, you can see the temperatures mostly below average the next 3 days. Again, thunderstorm chances are possible. This afternoon, a slight chance. Chance will continue tonight into early tomorrow morning. There is a chance during the day tomorrow, but we're more likely to see those tomorrow night through early Wednesday morning. That 70% chance, that's geared more towards the pre-sunrise hours of Wednesday morning. So not as much during the day. In fact, as the day goes on, the chance will go down. And we should be dry in the afternoon. Same thing Wednesday night. Thursday, most of the day looks dry as well. It'll be a breezier day on Wednesday, or Thursday, excuse me, and a little bit warmer as well. We'll get those highs back up into the mid and maybe even upper 80s Thursday and Friday. That's closer to our average high for this time of the year. And then maybe a slight cool down as we look ahead to Saturday and Sunday, more often on mainly overnight chances of showers and thunderstorms. As you look at the long range forecast here, we don't see anything, any big heat coming anytime soon. Our warmest days look to be Thursday, Friday, and then again next Tuesday. So most of these temperatures at or below average over the next 7 to 10 days. There are some long range forecast models looking towards the end of the last third of August, so about the 20th or so, all the way through the very end of August. There are some long range forecast models hinting at the big heat that got kind of pushed back to the south, beginning to approach and build in as we get into the latter part of the month. So just in time for state fair season, maybe that Husker volleyball game at Memorial Stadium. We'll see. It's a long ways out yet, so I'm not going to put too much into that yet. But we may start to see a little late summer heat try to move back in. It seems like that happens every once in a while. That's that state fair. We always get a little late summer heat. That might be the case this year. We'll see. So I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. Hope it's a good one to you, and I'll see you all again on Tuesday. Talk to you all later. Bye.